Welcome back. If your business uses Microsoft 365, you're sitting on a goldmine of productivity tools. But here's the thing, if you're not securing your environment properly, you're also sitting on a massive security risk. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential security settings every Microsoft 365 admin needs to consider. These aren't optional nice to haves, these are critical protections that could save your business from a devastating cyber attack. In this video, we'll cover key areas from enabling MFA org-wide, setting up conditional access policies, monitoring sign-in logs using the Defender portal, configuring threat policies, and adjusting your privacy settings. So grab a coffee, open your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and let's secure your environment together. Now let's log on to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, navigate to Setup, then look for Sign-in and Security, then go to Configure Multi-Factor Authentication, and you see it's already enabled on my tenant. So now you can click Manage. After you click Manage, there's going to be a new window that opens up, and that's going to open the Enter ID. And here you can click on Manage Security Defaults, and it needs to be enabled. So if MFA is disabled, it will say disabled. So you need to enable it by having it enabled and click Save. Security defaults are basically intended for smaller businesses that need an easy set of security policies and rules, which also enables MFA while keeping the entire company secure. It's like one button, enable, and keep a small business secure. That being said, next we're going to look into conditional access policies, which are more granular kind of control for MFA settings. So for that, we do need to disable security defaults. So let's talk about it in number 2. Number 2, conditional access policies. If basic MFA is locking your front door, conditional access is like installing a security system that knows who should be allowed in, when, and from where. So let's go back to the Enter Admin Center, disable security defaults, and it's also asking for a reason to disabling, and we can choose. My organization is planning to use conditional access. So let's hit save. Okay, now go to Enter Admin Center and search for conditional access. Okay, click on it, and now let's create a new policy. We can give it a name like require MFA for all users. Under assignments, you can select users. We can apply this to all users or specific groups, or you can exclude certain accounts like break glass emergency accounts. Okay, now here's where it gets powerful. Under conditions, you can set rules like require MFA where user signs in from outside your office network. Stuff like, we can block sign-ins from specific countries where you don't do business. Require compliant or managed devices, or you can just flag risky sign-in attempts, right? Under access controls, you can select grant and check require multi-factor authentication. Finally, you can set the policy to on and save it. Number 3, monitor sign-in logs. Think of sign-in logs as your security camera footage. They show you who's logging in, from where, using what device, and whether the attempt succeeded or failed. Here's where to find them. So let's go back to Enter Admin Center and search. Let's type in sign-in logs. Okay, click on sign-in logs. Okay, so here you'll see a detailed list of all the authenticated attempts. You can filter by user, application, status, and date range. So what should you look for? Failed sign-in attempts, especially multiple failures from the same user or IP address. Sign-in from unusual location. If your employee in New York suddenly logs in from Russia, that's a red flag. Sign-ins outside business hours, legitimate or someone's account compromised. Interrupted sign-ins, where MFA blocked an attempt. Number 4, Defender portal, pick your score. Now let's dive into the Microsoft Defender portal by going to security.microsoft.com. So click Secure Score in the left menu. This gives you a numerical score based on your security posture. Think of it as a credit score for your Microsoft 365 environment. You'll see a dashboard showing your current score and the recommended actions. on how to improve it. So let's click on recommended actions. And so here's a list of all the actions that Microsoft recommends that we need to fix. Also provides step-by-step implementation, step-by-step instructions on how to actually do it. A lot of them require a license, like a paid subscription to Enter ID, P1, P2 licenses. So some of them are already included, as you can see. So don't try to tackle everything at once. Start with high impact, low effort item first, then work your way through the list. Number 5, privacy and reporting settings. Now let's talk about a setting most admins overlook: privacy and reports. Now let's go to the admin center at admin.microsoft.com. Navigate to settings on the left, then org settings, and click on reports. Here's what you need to know. By default, Microsoft conceals user identifiable information in reports to protect privacy. You'll see anonymized data instead of actual usernames. Here's the checkbox you're looking for: display concealed user, group, and site names in all reports. If you uncheck this box, reports will show anonymized data. If you check this box, you'll see actual usernames, groups, and site names. So which one should you choose? If you're in a highly regulated industry or have a strict privacy requirements, leave it concealed. But if you need to investigate security incidents or troubleshoot user issues, you need to check that box to see who's doing what. Most organizations check the box because visibility is critical for security. Just make sure only trusted admins have access to these reports. Alright, let's recap what we have covered today. Number 1, enable NFA organization-wide to prevent 99% of phishing attacks. Number 2, setting up conditional access policies for intelligent context-aware security. Number 3, monitor sign-in logs to catch suspicious activity early. Number 4, use the Defender portal to track your secure score and stay ahead of threats. And number 5, adjust your privacy settings based on your organization's needs. Security isn't a one-time setup, it's an ongoing process. Review these settings quarterly, keep an eye on your logs, and stay informed about emerging threats. If this feels overwhelming or you rather have experts handle it for you, that's exactly what we do at Sevendesk IT Services. Drop a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more IT security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.